Hi everyone, welcome to my Self-Care Sunday. I have all my beauty essentials here to help us relax and recharge. We have a nourishing oil, a nail file, and a soothing face mask. Let's get started.
Gently massage the oil in circular motions to melt away impurities. This helps to dissolve and lift away makeup and daily grime. Rinse with warm water for clean, nourished skin. I'm leaning over this bowl of steaming water with rose petals to open my pores. The steam helps for a deep, gentle clean. I'll hold this for a few minutes before rinsing. This golden turmeric and besan mask is a cherished tradition for glowing skin. I'm applying it with a brush for an even, radiant finish. It feels so luxurious and nourishing. Hi, I'll show you how I puff my face with a jade gua sha tool. Start at your jawline and glide upward to your ear. This helps with lymphatic drainage. Then sweep from your cheekbone out to the side. Repeat this for a sculpted look. Okay, checking for symmetry. Left side looks a bit higher. Adjusting to match. Much better now. Hi everyone, today I'm showing you a pain-free way to clean up your brows with this tiny razor. Short 2-foot strokes, it's quick and doesn't hurt at all. And you're done! A perfect pain-free way to get clean brows. I'm applying a drop of castor oil to my eyebrows with a clean spoolie brush. This helps condition and promote growth. Just use small, gentle strokes. I'm soaking my nails in warm olive oil with lemon. This natural treatment will help whiten and strengthen them. Just a few minutes a day makes a big difference. Love using my glass file for this. Filing into a clean almond shape feels so satisfying. It's a nice, relaxing ritual, perfect for some self-care. Start with a clean, bare nail. Using the buffer, gently polish in one direction to smooth the surface. Now use quicker back and forth strokes. This creates a natural glass-like shine without any polish. And there's the finished look. After soaking, gently push back your cuticles. Use an orange wood stick for a clean, precise look. This creates that perfect clean girl aesthetic. First, warm the oil and dip your fingertips. Apply it along your hairline, massaging in circles. Now use both hands to massage deeply into the scalp. This boosts circulation. First, I'll apply this creamy mask to hydrate my hair. Using a brush helps distribute it evenly from root to tip. Now, I'll wrap it in a silk scarf to lock in the moisture. My home treatment really worked wonders. Watch the incredible shine. It's so glossy and healthy looking. I'm so happy with it. I love this homemade coffee scrub. It makes my skin glow instantly. Just mix coffee grounds with sugar and apply in circles. See how it buffs away dullness? Rinse it off and look at that instant glow. Apply a generous amount to your elbows and knees. Massage it in using circular motions. Feel how the rich formula absorbs, leaving your skin smooth and polished. Hi, I'll show you how to dry brush your legs. Use long, upward strokes from ankle to thigh. This boosts circulation and smooths skin texture. Just be consistent. I have a simple hack for fresh underarms. Soak a cotton pad with this gentle exfoliating toner. Now, gently wipe it on each underarm in a circular motion. And you're good to go. I'm applying this rich body butter to my elbows and knees. It makes the skin feel so smooth and polished. A little goes a long way for soft, glowing skin. Hi, I'll show you a simple oil pulling routine for great oral hygiene. Just take a tablespoon of coconut oil and station your for 10 to 20 minutes. Then spit it out. It's an easy way to a healthier smile. Gently scrub your lips with this honey and sugar mixture. This removes dry skin, leaving them soft and smooth. Now, apply the tinted balm for a natural, healthy flush.
Perfectly maintained, fresh-faced, and confident. In her white shirt, she stands back with poise. A picture of quiet strength and elegance.
Hey there! Thanks for watching. Here's a little kiss for you. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. See you next time!